Dollar or Bitcoin? Who will be the leader of the world economy in the future? Cryptocurrency advocates say that Bitcoin will one day replace all traditional currencies, but is such a thing really possible? Today, we will examine in detail whether Bitcoin can replace the dollar. First, let's look at the basic differences between Bitcoin and the dollar. The dollar is a currency controlled by the US Federal Reserve, meaning it is managed by the government and its supply is unlimited. More dollars can be printed when economic crises or monetary policies require it. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is completely decentralized, meaning it is not controlled by any government or bank. One of the biggest differences is that Bitcoin's supply is limited to 21 million. While the dollar can inflate and lose value over time, Bitcoin advocates argue that it is more resistant to inflation as digital gold. So, can Bitcoin really be a global reserve currency? There are some major obstacles to this. First, the price of Bitcoin is quite volatile. It can be $50,000 one day and $40,000 the next. It is very difficult to use such a volatile currency in daily transactions. Secondly, governments and central banks do not recognize Bitcoin as an official currency. States want to control the financial system, and Bitcoin makes this control difficult. Some countries in the world have banned Bitcoin, while others have only accepted it as an investment vehicle. Another important issue is Bitcoin's payment speed and transaction fees. While traditional bank transfers and credit card transactions are faster and lower cost, Bitcoin transactions can be slow at times and can result in high transaction fees. Despite these obstacles, Bitcoin's future is not completely dark. There are several different scenarios ahead. According to the first scenario, Bitcoin will continue to be used as a store of value, not as a means of payment. In other words, people will continue to invest in it as digital gold. According to the second scenario, some countries may adopt Bitcoin as their official currency. For example, El Salvador has accepted Bitcoin as legal tender, and some other countries may take similar steps. A third scenario could be the popularization of new generation blockchain-based digital currencies, which are faster and lower cost, instead of Bitcoin. So, can Bitcoin replace the dollar? For now, the answer is probably not. However, it is certain that Bitcoin will play an important role in the financial world. Even if it cannot completely destroy the dollar, it can continue to grow as an alternative asset. Do you think Bitcoin can become a valid currency all over the world in the future? Don't forget to share your ideas in the comments. If you want more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. See you in the next video.